You see, and this place, and this can be moved. Just put out this buckle, and then 2 safety chains, 13-pin manual brake, and sunny day. Trailer looks great. This is the aluminum shell trailer, high strength steel frame, and this is the stainless steel buckle. This trailer height 2 meters, 5 meters long, 2 meters wide, 2 meters height. As you see here, this customer installed a plumbing system using in extreme cold weather. And let's take a look at the top. njstar RV. This is the chassis and the independent suspension system. Mamba customized twin absorbers, aluminum flow forming rim. This is the Explorer travel trailer. Pay hay hả mình quay lại đi. And at this side, this is a door side, and you see from here, it's very smooth from the outside. 3 meter by 3 meter side tent. And let's take a look at the top view. Just 2 meters high. Let's take a look from this view. There is a slide out kitchen, and this is a digital combination lock, and this is the inside looking. Aluminum frame, 12-volt air conditioner, and there is a table in the middle which can be manually lifted, and this is the control panel for the electricity, and also there is a portable toilet. See, this is the restroom, on-camper restaurant, and this is an expansion tent. We also have outdoor camping chair and tables for customers. The refrigerator is there. You see there is a slide out thing, and also we are using the teak floor. Let's check on the top. It's very smooth on the surface. So this is the overview of this unique product.